Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the muscles of the shoulder region. This is going to be an overview. By this weekend we're going to be giving the full details on these muscles, the muscles of the shoulder region. So if you are new here, I'm Lawrence by name. This is my channel Triumphant Lectures. So consider subscribing to this channel, give it your likes, share with your friends, and if you have any question, don't hesitate, leave your questions in the comment box below. You have any topic you want us to talk on, just leave it in the comment box below. Attend to you as soon as we can. So today we are going to talk about the muscles of the shoulder region. This is going to be an overview. So you guys already know that the upper limb is segmented, right? The whole of the human body is segmented, right? But now we are focusing on just the upper limb, and the upper limb is divided into four major regions. You have the shoulder region, the arm region, the forearm, and the hand. Our focus for today is on the shoulder region. We've talked about the bones of the shoulder, right? We've talked about the clavicle, the scapula, the humerus. So you can actually go and watch our videos on the anatomy of these bones, the clavicle, the scapula, and the humerus. Today we're going to be giving an overview of the muscles of the shoulder region. So interesting. So now the muscles of the shoulder region, they are divided into two major groups. We have the extrinsic group of muscles and we have the intrinsic group of muscles. When we talk about the extrinsic group of muscles, we are talking about those muscles that are arising from other regions other than the upper limb, and then they come to insert on the upper limb. Since our focus is on the shoulder region, that's to say they are going to originate from other regions, mainly the trunk, that's the bones of the trunk, like the skull, the vertebral, cervical vertebral, thoracic vertebral, and they originate from part of the lumbar vertebra. Then they also originate from the pubic bone, mostly the iliac crest, and then they ascend, they cross superlaterally and then insert on the bones of the shoulder region, mainly the clavicle and the scapula. So that's why they are called the extrinsic muscles, because they are going to originate from bones of other regions and then come to insert on the bones of the shoulder region. Then we have the intrinsic group of muscles. These are muscles that originate from bones of the shoulder region and also insert on the bones of the shoulder region. Mostly they are going to originate from the clavicle and the scapula and insert on the superior aspect of the humerus. So now what are these bones? That's the question, right? So the extrinsic muscles, they are grouped into two categories. We have subdivisions. You have the superficial layer and you have the deep layer. That's to say, the superficial layer, they are the most superficial back muscles. That's to say, once you carry out, for example, you're carrying out dissection, when you dissect, you reflect the skin, the subcutaneous layer. The next layer you will see is this superficial layer of muscles, the superficial back muscles. And these muscles, the first one is the trapezius muscle. That's the muscle you can find in the upper back. Is the most superficial back muscle, the trapezius muscle. You also have another muscle which form a part of the superficial layer, which is found in the lower back. This muscle is called the latissimus dorsal muscle. So the superficial layer of the extrinsic muscles, they are the trapezius muscle and the latissimus dorsal muscle. Then now let's talk about the deep layer. The deep layer of the extrinsic muscles, they are, you have the levatoscapulae, you have the rhomboid muscles, which consist of rhomboid major and the rhomboid minor. So all these five muscles forms the extrinsic muscles of the shoulder region. The superficial layer, trapezius and the latissimus dorsal, the deep layer, the levatoscapulae, the rhomboid major and the rhomboid minor. We're going to be talking about this in full details in our next video. You're going to see the origin, you're going to see how it occurs, you're going to see the insertion, we'll talk about the innervation, we'll talk about the action. We're going to talk about that in our next video. So this is just an overview. So now let's go into the intrinsic muscles of the shoulder region. When you talk about the intrinsic muscles of the shoulder region, you're talking about those muscles that are originating from the bones of the upper limb, but also inserting on the bones that form the shoulder region. You get, they originate from mainly the clavicle and the scapula and insert on the superior aspect of the humerus. You understand? So now, what are these muscles? These muscles, you have the deltoid muscle. The number one is the deltoid muscle, and that's this muscle you feel here. This is the muscle here, right? That's this muscle here, the deltoid muscle. So we also have other group of muscles under this intrinsic group of muscles known as the rotator cuff muscles. They are 4 in number, so there are 4 group of muscles. And why are they called the rotator cuff? They are called the rotator cuff muscle because they surround the shoulder region, anatomically called the glenohumeral joint. So the reason why they surround this glenohumeral joint is to provide additional stability to this joint. And what are these muscles? These muscles, therefore, we have the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and the subscapularis. Remember when we were studying the anatomy of the clavicle and the scapula, when we talked about the scapula, we talked about the anterior surface having a depression, concave depression called the subscapular fossa, and then we have the superior aspect, which is divided by the spine into 2 depressions, supraspinous fossae and infraspinous fossae. Just you can watch our video on that to get the full details of the anatomy of the clavicle. So now these muscles are going to originate from this scapula, and that's why where the name comes supraspinous or supraspinatus muscle, sorry, and that's where the name comes the infraspinatus muscle, and that's where the name comes the subscapularis. Then you have the teres minor also originating from the lateral border. So for you to understand this before the next video, do well to get an overview, get knowledge, go and watch our video on the anatomy of the clavicle, the scapula, and the humerus. So I've been able to talk about the muscles of the shoulder region. We said they are divided into 2 groups, extrinsic group of muscles and the intrinsic group of muscles. We said the extrinsic group of muscles, they are divided into 2 layers. We have the superficial layer and we have the deep layer. We said the superficial layer, they are the trapezius muscle and the latissimus dorsal muscle. Then we have the deep layer, which consists of the levator scapulae. Then we have the rhomboid minor and the rhomboid major. Then we're talking about the intrinsic muscles that are originating from the clavicle and the scapula, and then going to insert on the superior aspect of the humerus. And we said these muscles, they are this muscle here called the deltoid muscle. The other group are the rotator cuff muscles, which surround the shoulder joint or the glenohumeral joint, providing additional stability to this joint. And these muscles, they are 4 in number. We have the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and the subscapularis. So this brings us to the end of today's video. So if you liked today's video, I hope it was informative. So this goes on Triumphant lectures. Consider subscribing to our channel. Give us your support. Encourage us. Subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Also, you have any topic you want us to talk on, just leave it in the comment box below. You have any question, just leave it in the comment box below. So I'm hoping to see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.